Have you ever walked into a room and felt an uncanny sense of familiarity, as if you had been there before? The conversation seems scripted, the sense oddly familiar, and the entire scene unfolds like a replay. This unsettling yet intriguing phenomenon, known as déjà vu, has captivated the human mind for centuries. Déjà vu, French for already seen, is a fleeting but powerful illusion of recognition, a sudden glitch in the fabric of our perception of time and experience. We are thrust into a disorienting state where the lines between past and present blur. The feeling can range from a vague sense of familiarity to a startling conviction that we are reliving a past event in precise detail. While often described as a singular experience, déjà vu encompasses a spectrum of related phenomena, each offering a unique glimpse into the complexities of human memory and perception. Despite its prevalence, the underlying mechanisms of déjà vu remain a subject of scientific inquiry. Researchers have proposed numerous theories, from neurological misfires to psychological quirks, in an attempt to unravel the mystery of this temporal anomaly. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of déjà vu, exploring its various manifestations, possible causes, and the profound implications it holds for our understanding of the human mind. The experience of déjà vu takes on many forms, each adding a unique layer of complexity to this already enigmatic phenomenon. While the classic déjà vu involves a feeling of familiarity with a visual scene, other sensory modalities can also be involved. For instance, déjà entendu, meaning already heard, refers to the uncanny feeling of recognizing a sound or musical passage as if it had been heard before. Similarly, déjà vécu, which translates to already lived, represents a more immersive form of déjà vu, where individuals feel as though they are reliving an entire past experience, complete with emotions and actions. This intensified form of déjà vu can be particularly unsettling, leaving individuals questioning the nature of their reality. Another intriguing manifestation of déjà vu is déjà senti, meaning already felt, which describes the strange sensation of familiarity with an emotion or feeling. In this instance, individuals experience an emotional echo, a sense that they have felt a particular emotion before, even if they cannot connect it to a specific past event. This emotional déjà vu highlights the intricate interplay between memory, emotion, and our subjective experience of time. Déjà vu is a surprisingly common experience, with studies suggesting that a significant majority of the population, some estimates reaching as high as 97%, has experienced the phenomenon at least once in their lifetime. It appears to be particularly prevalent among young adults, with the highest incidence reported in those aged 15 to 25. This heightened susceptibility in young adulthood might be attributed to the rapid neurological development and synaptic pruning occurring during this crucial period. As the brain refines its neural connections, it is possible that occasional misfires or overlaps in processing could give rise to the illusory familiarity characteristic of déjà vu. While generally considered a benign and fleeting experience, the frequency and intensity of déjà vu can vary significantly from person to person. Some individuals may only experience it a handful of times throughout their lives, while others report more frequent episodes, perhaps even several times a week. Interestingly, the frequency of déjà vu seems to decline with age, possibly reflecting changes in brain plasticity and memory consolidation as we grow older. Section 4. A matter of memory and perception. To understand the possible mechanisms underlying déjà vu, we must delve into the intricate realms of memory and perception. One prominent theory, known as the memory-based explanation, suggests that déjà vu arises from a temporary glitch in how our brains encode and retrieve memories. According to this theory, a current experience might inadvertently trigger the feeling of familiarity if it shares certain sensory or contextual similarities with a past event, even if the memory of the original event remains inaccessible to our conscious awareness. This could explain why déjà vu often occurs in unfamiliar places or situations, as our brains struggle to distinguish between novel and familiar stimuli. Another compelling explanation, known as the dual processing theory, posits that déjà vu results from a discrepancy in the timing of information processing within the brain. Our brains typically process information through two parallel pathways, one rapid and unconscious, the other slower and more deliberate. In the case of déjà vu, it is possible that a slight delay in one processing stream relative to the other could create a temporal mismatch, leading us to perceive the present moment as if it had already occurred. This theory aligns with the fleeting and elusive nature of déjà vu, as the temporal discrepancy is quickly resolved, leaving behind only a lingering sense of familiarity. Section 5. The brain's timekeepers. The intricate processes of memory and perception, central to many theories of déjà vu, are intricately tied to specific structures within the brain, particularly the temporal lobes and the hippocampus. The temporal lobes, located on the sides of the brain, play a crucial role in processing sensory information, language comprehension, and memory formation. Within the temporal lobes, the hippocampus, a seahorse-shaped structure, acts as the brain's memory hub, responsible for encoding new memories and linking them to existing networks of knowledge and experience. Given their involvement in memory and perception, it is perhaps unsurprising that these brain regions have emerged as key areas of interest in the study of déjà vu. Research using brain imaging techniques, such as fMRI, has revealed heightened activity in the temporal lobes and hippocampus during episodes of déjà vu. These findings suggest that these regions might be particularly sensitive to the temporal distortions and mismatches in information processing thought to underlie the phenomenon. Furthermore, studies have shown that electrical stimulation of the temporal lobes can induce déjà vu-like experiences in individuals, providing further evidence for the role of these brain regions in this intriguing phenomenon. Understanding the intricate workings of these brain areas holds the key to unraveling the neurological underpinnings of déjà vu.